my name is Technologist. Right, I'm working with MMU since 2002. Okay, so it's around 16 years here lah. But I'm working starting as a system engineer in computer center here. So, but your information now, after I think this past 2 years, I become a lecturer. So is it fit for your assignment or not? Because I already leave the industry for 40 years. Just for clear out the things. Because some of your questions is basically let's say question number 2 and think number 6. This is the things that sincerely I left it. So if you like say the question is enjoying, no, I'm not enjoying. Seriously, I just want to inform you guys. So is it fit or not with your task? But I basically, why do you enjoy it so much? I'm not enjoying. That's why I left. So that is the things whether it fit or not with your things lah. But I tak nak nanti during interview, I memang for sure I'm talking. Sincerely I have to cakap what's my experience lah. But when it come up with what do you enjoy, I'm not enjoying. So that is the things that you need to know lah. Because I left industry because I'm not enjoying it. So that is the things that you need to know lah.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Then you can come up with it.
Okay.
I just want your experience.
Okay. Experience okay lah. Especially I tak sure others people lah. I'm not following, tapi memang dia rasa there is some people who are in industry. Bila dia dah sampai satu tahap dia kan, dia memang dah banyak sangat dalam kepala, they want to give this one something. So they move. So daripada 3 sistem engineer, you bayangkan that time 2 orang tu keluar. So tak almost rentak lah. So tinggal seorang. So we have to hire some of our practical students from that time to assist me lah. Tapi at that time ongoing juga project itu kan. So memang at that time memang big things lah. So that's on the project wise lah. But I think it's one of also a challenge for me in IT project bila kita buat outsourcing tu. Okay. Last times I'm not sure how in KL in operations. Tapi kalau we start to do other relations with outsourcing or with company luar, dia punya project management is not like normal new projects. Dia akan jadi very official new project. Dia akan hire project manager, dia akan hire solutions, dia akan hire service delivery, dia akan hire operation. So during my age dekat my time in MMU, kalau kita macam during my time I buat server tu, I the one who prepare the specs, I the one who do the documents, I the one who install, I the one to operate. That one in 2005. Bila kita move ke 2013, at that times kita masuk Active Directory, you guys tahu kan? Masuk PC kat password tu, okay. Kat PC, password kat PC kan? So that one is Microsoft Active. But the project is handled during at that time we already moved to batch lah. So the project become more official. So dia tak jadi macam you boleh pandai suka hati you. We have to have the hierarchy. So Active Directory yang waktu 2005 I buat email. In 2013 tu I buat Active Directory. Orang yang those people who design is not me. Ada tips, not my department, another department. Okay. Dia design, bawa ke MMU kata admin. Okay. Yang bawa ke MMU tu another department. Dia panggil account sales. So solutions design, bawa ke untuk approval, sales and teams lah. Approve, deploy, install, another department. Panggil service delivery. Siap, maintain, another department. That is my department. So during my 2005, I buat semua over the clock. During with my own pace. Tapi yelah seorang-seorang kan. Tapi yang kat sini ramai. And then tapi kita ada one of the challenge, we have some limitation. Kita kena achieve masa tu. Kalau tak masa tu nanti kena penalty. So that's 2 different projects, 2 different things, which luckily for me I experience lah. I experience. Kalau you tanya dia ada pro dan cons. Dia kalau for me is based on your age. Kalau zaman-zaman I muda-muda dulu, I suka lah macam-macam kan. Sampai zaman dah 30 lebih dia dah macam kan dia dah tak jadi macam tak berapa cantik sangat lah. Sebab I start my first kerja in UTM, I start as Technologist. I do the programming. Then I masuk hardware, I buat network administrations, I buat securities, I buat networks, management during my IT management during my managing times starting 2010. When I do the back, I as a manager, I buat IT management. Last one in multimedia, I actually 2008 I start exploring fotografi macam Yodet lah. Yodet kan explore fotografi kan, big foto kan. I sekarang dah tak nampak lah big foto kan. So I start to do fotografi lah. So until now, time to time I still been hired for macam baru ni convocation MMU. I was still been assigned to do studio photography. So in terms of multimedia, so I managed to cover most of the 4 areas in ITs lah. Cuma kalau in terms of areas, especially lecturing, we'll go to the hardware part lah, network, server administration, securities. Kalau in these 4 areas yang I macam so far, I macam agak for me is quite challenging for me to do it now, software engineering. So I dah nama juga. This is the 4 areas, especially kalau you ambil diploma in IT, you need to decide. Sebab nanti whenever you want to continue, you dah start to do majoring. So you kena decide. So that's why macam bila dia see people in industry willing macam nak jadi lecturer to be academicians, this was very macam dia welcoming lah. Sebab bila we sit in the class, kita dah tahu dah macam mana kita nak. We want to make sure you guys nampak. Kalau tanya you kan, kalau kerja you dekat nanti you kerja, apa you buat hari-hari? Apa you buat hari-hari? Macam apa, what is the meanings of chemical engineering? You kata okay, orang yang buat campur-campur kan. Tapi you boleh can you imagine actually you bangun tidur, apa yang you buat? So that is those people yang ada industry. This is the things that kita akan gambarkan pada you. Apa kerja kita yang hari-hari you akan buat. Sebab kalau you nak setakat you baca Wikipedia tu tak sama dengan what we experience. So that's the difference lah. That is different kalau now most of the specialist technology in education dah masuk. Sebab in MBOP sendiri pun I think it was actually initiated by Ministry of Education juga to make sure the technology support TVETs. TVETs teaching vocational education training. Dia macam technical punya education lah actually. Dia terms tu it goes to not normal punya teaching. Hands-on punya teaching. I think yang UniKL memang hands-on lah. You guys hands-on kan? Very hands-on memang UTM lah. Itu sebab nama dia itu University Technical. MMU kita pun dah lama pakai technical, especially in Fakulti Kreatif Multimedia in Nusantara Jaya. Sebab most of dia punya lecturer semua specialist. Half semua specialist. Memang kita ambil memang buat animators punya lah. Macam in Nusantara Jaya, those yang in films, lecturer MMU dia ada 2-3 orang. The lain semua memang mengarah filem semua, ambil memang from industry. That's the things lah. Kalau most of now, I tengok IBTA, I can see UTM lah. Sebab in UTM, if you want to become a lecturer there, you have to have 5 years experience industry, baru you boleh jadi lecturer kat UTM. So I think you IPTS memang kita dah start do hands on with things lah. ITA I tak sure lah. Macam tak berapa nak tapi UTM I know memang very ni lah. IT is like those people who in IT, especially those in server administration and network. In early stage, we have to see that. I think sampai I last 2 years old lah. We always standby, you know. Kita memang standby. Kita standby network down, kita standby server mati. Every time bila kita pergi holiday, memang kita akan bawa. Memang kita akan to see lah. I start waktu 2002 tu. After 2 weeks career, I already have first experience challenge lah. Bos at that time system engineer 3, my boss cuti maternity bersalin perempuan. My yang senior tu dia I think dia kena campak tu, so dia cuti. So 3 I dengan seorang lagi kakak ni senior dia lah. So dia bagian server. And tiba-tiba satu hari tu besok ada event network down. Network down. So kita orang satu pagi lah, kita duduk kat situ. Kita hadap. Itulah I baru masuk dalam event. Tu I tanya, "Kak, apa kita buat, Kak?" Kak cakap, "Aku pun tak tahu." Sebab network punya admin at that time dia sakit lah kan. So kita orang tengok je lah switch tu kan. Try sebab saya I also do not know how to play. Bawa dia kakak tu. Tengok saya, lepas tu kejap lagi my boss datang. My boss datang pakai kain batik. Dia bawa saya try. Sebab during that from 2005 until 2000 I think 2000 sampai 2006 memang 2004 we have an issue with our hardware. Sebab at that time in Melaka we are using Avaya products. Avaya products now is very famous in voice, tapi last that time kita pakai data lah, it's networks. Dia punya hardware tu, if let's say we put inside IT riser, then tiba-tiba panas, aircon mati, dia punya board chip dia burn. And then yang paling a bit challenging is bila kita masuk dekat kita punya konsol tu, kita tunjuk there is no such thing indicator that show which part yang rosak. So kita kena guna experience. Dia ada slot kan. We have to explain yang ni kata dia tunjuklah port ni ada blinking tak betul kan. Dia blinking tu macam tak berapa normal lah. Tarik keluar. Okay. Lepas tu nak masuk yang baru, kita tak boleh masuk yang baru. Kita kena masuk yang kita kena keluarkan dulu semua. Lepas tu kita kena masuk ikut sequence. So these things is not been inside the manual, you know. Dia memang tak jadi dalam manual. So kadang-kadang bila satu in early years, because there is no the product is actually from US. They came out originally from Israel actually. Bila dia 4K, we have to take out the whole things, bawa pergi sana, tukar baru. Bila masuk baru pula tiba-tiba, yang ni pun rosak. Sebab at that time the product start to obsolete. Kita dah kena. Lepas tu after 2 years, 3 years baru kita tahu, kalau kita panggil backplane tu rosak, kita kena buka belakang, ada card, kita boleh cabut je card tu. After 2 years. Sebab produk tu in Malaysia, I think only UTHM dia pakai dengan kita. So tak banyak produk yang support lah. During that time, kalau you industry pun, one of the things kadang-kadang technical dengan financials, management ni tak berapa match lah. We in technical, we always want the best. Okay. Finance always want the cheap. Okay. So yang bila datang Avaya tu because of the cheap lah kan. Datang yang cheap tu kan. Aircon macam ni mati je pun. Even ada satu cases tu waktu mula-mula configuration, satu PC had virus, the whole campus down.
Wow.
Memang habis lah. Lepas tu at that time Technologist, technology was not very advanced like now. Kalau macam kalau kata sekarang we have a switch, kita ada match security address. Kita ada macam broadcast control. Kalau kata PC kena virus, kita attack macam we call it DOS macam ini. Macam dia attack, kita akan shut down the ports. Nama dulu kita tak ada. So bila dia attack the whole server. So bila kita tengok IP, kita panggil VLAN group. So okay, hostile budak-budak. Okay, korang pergi check korang punya PC ada virus ke tak. Selagi tu tak buka. Tak buka lah, 1 minggu lah diorang pergi check satu-satu. Zaman dulu memang when I start in 1998, I start ambil IT because I want to have something new. Sebab I belajar MS. Waktu I dapat result SPMI, MS I macam I was not very good in MS. Selalu dapat at that time kita ada A1, A2, C3, C4, C5, C6. Selalu I dapat C5, C6. Tiba-tiba SPM I dapat C3. So I dapat, kalau di dalam your range I rasa B kot. So bila dapat B tu I macam cukup lah. I tak nak ambil macam those things yang I rasa during my boarding school tu macam penat sangat lah. So IT was a bit hard at that time. And my sister pun ambil, dia kata ambil lah IT. So I ambil IT lah. So basically I'm choosing IT because at that time it was very new lah. So I was kind of a bit I punya mood actually dia macam dia semangat, tertoleh macam ni. So I always making a change in my life lah. Sebab macam I cakap dulu, bila 2008 tak ada kerja, kita master kan. Lepas tu tiba-tiba kena outsourcing. Lepas tu tiba-tiba dah mengajar pula. So just to make sure actually you alive, for me you need to make changes. Kena ada perubahan. How we manage it? So far tak ada. I think in engineering I think you have more risk of that, but IT so far tak ada. How you handle like I said before, it's always about age. Kalau now I think most of the time, even I apply to my students, most of the times the one of the key success of your academics is based on time planning. Sebab even during what I do in my class, every class 5 minutes I akan table kat dia what will happen. Contoh, we have 14 weeks of semester. Okay, now is week 1. Setiap hari, setiap session of class, most of the session of class, I akan cakap what will happen in this week, what will happen next week, what will happen maybe dalam 3 to 4 weeks yang depan lah. Sebab I want to make sure my students have this what you call lah, kita ada satu macam dia macam ada satu kesedaran yang tanpa sedar. Macam dia cakap dia macam you dah set dalam kepala you, memang kita kena plan. So setiap kelas my student akan wait tengok I tau. Although dia macam spoon feed, this is kind of spoon feed, tapi I always see my class based on the batch. I selalu mengajar, I akan tengok my batch. Kalau first semester cara I belajar lain. Kalau macam yang saya kata repeaters, my ajar cara lain, tak sama. Ini soft skills lah. During inflation interviews, there will be always very questions yang akan kena tanya. First question is what?
Study yourself.
Okay, second.
Why you choose the job?
Third.
If you selected in this job, what you do?
Almost right. Dia akan tanya what do you know about this company. So this is the key of a question that we always ask during the interviews. Okay. Even introduction of yourself, dia tak nak dengar you cerita you ada. They just want to know whether you are what is the most interesting about a part of it. Okay? Macam saya cerita tadi open source, saya cerita I grad umur berapa. This is the interesting part which actually people want to hear. So this is the soft skills in any jobs. Soft skills memang paling penting lah. Okay? That's why during my teaching memang semua orang kena bercakap. I change all the subjects to presentation. Memang ada presentation. Even dulu subjek tu tak ada presentation, I buat presentation juga. So memang akan ada presentation. Sebab I've seen some of the subjects that I do presentation tu after dekat FYP, dekat final year project, budak most of the student dah very good. Dia orang tahu kalau FYP with me memang very masalah. memang akan. Sebab during most of my assignments level, kalau I ada diploma, most of my assignment level I memang upkan lagi. But I do it in assistant. Maksudnya, you buat assignments, you boleh tanya saya. I can guide you. That's my style lah. Tapi bila presentation tu, bila you present, I akan guide you macam mana nak present. Tapi you this soft skill memang yang kena develop. Zaman I tu ada budak perempuan ni apa, dia punya skrin putih kan. Sekejap lagi kan, dia kepala dia kan, dia dah present, kepala dia kat dalam. Dia ikut dia ni. This is the soft skills, the communication skill ni memang you kena develop. How you want to develop? You kena berani cakap dalam kelas lah. Kena tanya question, kena soalan. Yang ni cakap. I think it's not only in IT lah. I think it's most only because kita cakap change of government pun tak juga. Graduates actually one of the challenge now. By the way, do you know how many higher educational institution in Malaysia?
Higher education.
Maksudnya how many IBT, IBTS in Malaysia? How many? You rasa? A lot tu.
Sure.
Dia rasa?
About 40 to 50.
Okay. During my 2002, kita ada dalam for IBTS kan, kita ada dalam 20 something lah. Now combined is 495. 495.
IBTS only.
Combined. So even challenge for MMU, I think UDKL pun dah start nampak macam tak berapa ramai orang kan. It's a very challenge. The unemployment graduate is actually is because of the numbers of graduates sebenarnya. Nak cakap market, if you like say you want to ask the market was so small pun tak juga, sebab now people, there is a lot of IBT which actually generates a lot of graduates kan. Kerja for me dia tak small, dia okay lah, tapi dia punya how dia growth tu tak dia tak setara dengan numbers of IBT yang berkembang tau. So that's the things yang for me dia interrupt lah.
So macam you see that the growth of the job create from the market is not expanding like the number of the IPT.
The number of graduates.
The number of graduates.
For me, I can see that lah. Sebab numbers of graduates become more higher, but the market is not. For me, it's not become smaller. It become bigger, but not as much as numbers of graduates. Betul sama. Betul, especially betul. Right. So in anyhow. In any area for me, the things that you need to know beside the soft skills, macam cakap lah, study style you, how you want to interact with your friends. Because this is the thing nanti in any area pun, chemical ke apa, you masuk kerja, let's say you have your first job, you masuk, you tak kena campur dengan orang ni, tak kerja lah. in university you are being trained how to get information, how doing the assignments kan, macam you dapat macam mana nak cari seorang TS kan. This is the skill lah, this is the skill. How to get, you have your own connection, networks. Sama juga macam you kerja, kalau you kerja kan, you if let's say you appoint as a project manager for automatical things kan, you nak cari contractor yang ada experience tu, macam mana nak cari kan, you kena ada connection, you kena ada networks. That's why in educators kadang-kadang kita ada macam forums ke apa symposium ke apa, just to make sure we have a connection of networks. Kita kenal people from other universities. This is the things lah. Sama juga macam you students kan. You kalau you chemical kan, you pergi tanya kan soalan final dekat universiti lain, tetap sama kan. That's the things lah, sama je. It's a way. And cara-cara you now maybe lah you have your parents kan to assist you kan, boleh lah cari kan, tapi nanti this is the thing. No, this sama juga macam I start here because my uncle start kerja sini. This is, kalau last time you dengar perkataan kabel, nak buat kerja is kabel kan. Tapi bila I in the industry, kabel is very important, you know why? Because with the cable we can confirm that you have a good attitude. Kalau I pernah recommend one of my lecturer punya student, dia somehow even my colleague, even my senior manager dulu pun is my practical students. Kalau you for information, because we know dia punya attitude, we already, that's why whenever you already go for internships. If you actually one of the key areas that important for you to have a good jobs is to have a great internship in this place. Macam mana you nak dapat tempat how to get a good internship place? Macam mana you nak dapat? Very one thing, time planning. Means, let's say you know that semester depan, let's say you want to take your internship next semester, you have to apply this semester, tapi you kena start cari the semester before. Sebab even my students, yang those people who do yang last minute, dia akan dapat tempat data entry. So kalau if let's say when you do your internship
semester 7
sekarang pun so sekarang you dah kena pergi Rikia, you dah kena tengok kat mana, you kena tanya sini kat mana yang you akan dapat. Why? Because whenever you get a very good internship, this is your start of your network tau kan. Macam your father is on engineering kan, dia nak cari chemical mana dia ada kena kan, dia tak kenal kan. So this is, you kena pergi internship lah. Yang internship tu baru then you know, you kenal orang ni, katalah you kenal one of the staff kan, staff ni tahu pula tempat chemical kat tempat lain. This is how you get connections. So tu sebab I cakap you soft skills, time management. This is the thing. Kalau you just study, how you study style lah. Kalau you work style macam mana. So sama je, memang akan sama. So this is the, cuma most of the lecturer doesn't make this one a very 1, 2, 3 with you. Most of the lecturer, they apply benda ni sama to you, tapi you kena somehow you kena divide dalam kepala you. Kita kena ada soft skill, you kena ada connection. I selalu formalize. I memang apa yang tahu, tu apa yang tahu, time management. So I somehow macam nak kata spoon feed, tapi my student banyak yang first semester. Kalau repeater lain style. Repeater kita memang selalu kalau my kelas repeater saya cakap besok ada kelas, jangan lupa. memang